Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear students, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it. Yes, this is our lesson number 1. Okay, who will tell me what is the name of the lesson? See, this is our lesson number 1 and this is the name of our lesson. What is the name of our lesson? Pre-number concept. What is the name of our lesson? Pre-number concept. Yes. So here some concepts we are going to clear. Yes, which are very useful for you, and this is necessary to learn to you. Yes. Dear students, can you see these pictures? Can you see these pictures? Okay. Who will read? What is it? Tall, short, equal. Okay, repeat after me. Tall, short, equal. Okay. Who is he? What is it? Which animal it is? Yes. Which animal it is? It is giraffe. How is the giraffe? Giraffe is tall. Yes or no? So here TALL tall is written. Which animal it is? This is rabbit. Which animal? This is rabbit. How is the rabbit? Rabbit is short. How is the rabbit? Rabbit is short. And two trees are there. How many trees are there? Two are there. How are those trees? Those trees are equal. Yes, do you understand the concept of tall, short and equal? This giraffe is tall. Yes, this rabbit is short and these two trees are equal. Understood? Now, next is taller, shorter. What is it? Taller, shorter. See, one man is there, one boy is there. Man is taller, yes, and boy is shorter. Man is taller, boy is shorter. Even two buildings are there. This building is taller and this building is shorter. Yes, this is taller, this is shorter. Now here one activity is given, dear students. Color the taller one red and the shorter one green. Yes, those they are taller one, you have to give red color to them, and those they are shorter, you have to give green color to them. So to him, which color will you give? Red. Yes, and to him, which color will you give? Green. Yes, to these coconut trees are also there. This is taller, so you will give red color, and this is short, so you will give green color. Understood? Now next is thick and thin. Yes, these are candles. Two candles are there. This candle is thick candle and this candle is thin candle. Understood? Thick, thin. Now next, fat, thin. Yes, this man is fat man. F-A-T, fat. See, yes or no? This man is fat man. This man is thin man. This man is thin man. Now heavy and light. We will understand. See, heavy, light. Which picture it is? Which animal it is? This is elephant. Yes or no? And elephant is heavy. Yes. So what is the spelling of heavy? Heavy. This is heavy elephant and this is light. Yes or no? Light means this its weight is light. It is not heavy. Yes. Now let's go on next page, page number 62. Here you can see color the heavy objects orange and the light object green. See, this is the pumpkin and this is the chili. This pumpkin is heavy and this chili is light. So pumpkin I have given orange color and to chili I have given green color. You also have to do the same. Color the fat cat red and the thin one yellow. This is the fat cat. So I have colored this in red. This is the thin cat. I have given yellow color. Yes. Now draw the thick line and a thin line in the boxes below. Two boxes are given. Here you are going to draw thick line. Yes. And here you are going to draw thin line. Understood? This is thick line and this is thin line. If you want to color it, you can color it also. Now something interesting we are going to understand here. This were interested. Okay, who will tell me what exactly we are going to understand? See, more and less. More and less. Dear student, let's understand the concept first. Here we are going to understand more and less. What is the spelling of more? More, M-O-R-E. Yes, more. L-E-S-S, less. This tree has more leaves. This tree has more leaves. See, here you can see the picture of tree and you can see this tree has more leaves and this is the picture of another tree. Yes, see, this plant has less leaves. Yes, this is the banana plant and this plant has less leaves. What we are going to understand it here exact? What is our concept to understand? Yes or no? This tree has more leaves and this tree has less leaves. Yes, understood. Now, tick the collection that has more. Two collections are given here. Two different boxes are given here. Yes or no? Just count with me and we have to tick to that which has more collection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, these are 12 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which has more collection? Which has more collection? These 12 chocolates has more collection. So we have tick it there. Now next, tick the collection that has less. Now see, again we will count. We have to tick which has less pencils. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, these are 7. So these are more and we have to tick to the less pencils. Yes, we have to tick to the less pencils. Understood these questions? Now here we are going to understand something different. It's inside, outside. Yes, what we are going to understand? Inside, outside. These oranges are inside the basket. Where are those oranges? The oranges are inside the basket. Here you can see these oranges are where? Inside the basket. Yes. These oranges are inside the basket. So what we are understanding here? Inside. The papaya is outside the basket. Yes, the papaya is outside the basket. Now next, tick the correct word. We have to tick correct word here. Yes. The students are inside, outside the classroom. Where are those students? The students are inside the classroom. So we have tick it here. Yes. Now next, the dog. Here you can see the picture of dog. The dog is inside, outside the house. Where is the dog? Is he inside or outside? He is outside. The dog is outside the house. Yes. Tick the inside object and cross the outside object. Here we are going to tick which are inside and cross which are outside. Yes. Now here this ball is inside, so we have tick it here. This ball is outside, so cross it here. These fruits are inside, so I have tick it here. These fruits are outside, so I have cross. Okay, these chocolates are there. These are inside and those are outside. So I have cross here and I have tick there. Understood? Now just we will understand the activity, maths lab activity. Whole class activity. Whenever you are in the class, you have to do the same activity. Materials required and which are the material required that I am telling you. Pairs of object or pictures. Big, small, tall, shorts, long, short, inside, outside and so on. Okay. Which are the material required? Pairs of object or pictures. Pictures you have to collect big, small, tall, short, long, short, inside, outside and so on. Yes. Procedures. What is the procedure? Divide students into 4 groups. Okay. In your class you are going to divide yourself in 4 groups A, B, C and D. Show 2 similar objects, one big and one small, and these objects you have to show which one is big and which one is small. Ask a student of group A to identify the bigger object, and you are going to ask a group A, then they have to identify bigger objects. Repeat the same with the other pictures object, taking turns to call out students from each group, and you have to repeat all the objects which are there, taking turns to call out students from each group. Understood? Now here value based questions. Ajit puts the biscuit wrapper dash dash the bin. Where is he putting? Inside the dustbin. Yes. Amit throws it dash dash bin outside. Write it with me. Okay. Whose action is correct? Discuss. Okay. Will you tell who is the correct? Ajit is correct or Amit is correct? Where we should throw our garbage or papers? We should throw our papers inside the bin. So Ajit is correct. Yes. Now, higher order thinking skills. Which one is dad's birthday cake? Which one is Seema's birthday cake? Why? Yes, see, here 2 cakes are there and you have to tell which cake is of dad's birthday and which cake is of Seema's birthday. I will tell that this is the birthday cake of dad and this is the birthday cake of Seema. Yes, because this cake is simple and this cake is decorative so. Understood? Dear students, thanks to listen me and you have to see these all the videos. All the videos are available on our channel. Thank you.